Selling your car on one of the local marketplaces? Watch out for this scam. Alright, quick public service announcement if you're selling your car on one of the marketplaces like Craigslist or something like that. Typically the scammers will contact you by text message, most likely. We're probably not going to call you. But they'll contact you, and long story short, they're going to try to get you to purchase some kind of vehicle report. Some kind of report. They can call it a title report, a vehicle report, a VIN report, anything like that. There'll be a bunch of different names for it. But basically they want to steer you to clicking on a link to buy a report. Typically they'll tell you some sob story that I need this report because the loan officer, he specifically requests that this vehicle report need to be purchased, not from any other place. It's got to be from this place, or something along that lines. Because you might tell them, hey, I have this car report, take this. Oh no, it has to be from this specific one. And basically they want you to click that link. You're going to plug in your credit card information, and you might pay $20, and they'll tell you, hey, it's cheaper than other places like Carfax or other reputable companies like that. They'll say, no, go to this place. It's cheaper, you'll save money, things like that. My car loan person needs it. And you'll put in your information, and basically they just steal your credit card information, double charge your credit card, or they just go out and have a field day with your credit card, things like that. Or they say it's only $20 and they charge you your card $400 and something like that. Basically they're going to steal your information, your credit card information, things like that. That's what they're looking for. They have no interest in buying your car or anything like that. They want you to click those links, plug in your credit card information, and go that way. A lot of times when they try to contact you, they'll say, they might not have any clue about the car. Like they'll ask, hey, how does it run when you clearly listed this thing doesn't run, it needs to go to the junkyard, things like that. And then when you question them on it, they'll come up with an excuse. They always have an excuse for whatever question you have. Like in this case, if they had no clue about it, oh, it was my wife. My wife told me about it and gave me the link, or something like that. So I just want you to be aware. Don't click on anything that they give you. If you want to have a vehicle report ready, go to a reputable place, something like Carfax or anything like that. I mean, I'm not shilling for Carfax or any other place. I'm not sure what other ones are reputable, but find a reputable one if you really want to have that, and present that. And if they continue insisting on this other no-name vehicle report, it's a scam. Don't click on it. And so I just wanted to bring that to your attention. I didn't know it until recently, and I wanted to make sure you guys know it too. And as always, if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.